In this video, you'll withdraw your profits from the Sonic AI strategy, first to your tagmarkets wallet, and then to your own payment method. Log into tagmarkets, and in the left sidebar, click copyforex. Open the Follower Hub, then click the Strategies tab. Here, you'll see your active accounts. Next to your strategy, click Withdraw. The pop-up shows your available profit. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Withdraw. Withdraw completed. Your profit has been processed. Now refresh the page, and the funds appear in your tagmarkets wallet balance at the top of the screen. The second step is withdrawing from your tag wallet to your own payment method. In the left sidebar, click Tag Wallet, then Withdrawals. Enter the amount, and click Submit Request. Review the details, then click the blue button below. Now select the account where you want to receive the funds. In this example, we'll withdraw via crypto. Select your wallet, and click Withdraw. And that's it. Your request has been submitted successfully, and your funds are on the way.